Here's how to change the oil filter on a 2013 Honda Odyssey. Here's where the air comes in and it's filtered inside of this box. Unhook this clip, this one, and this one. Also unhook the airflow sensor. Finally, lift this cover and remove the air filter. I recommend using Wix filters. Ensure the thick portion is underneath. Lift the cover and put the filter back in. When closing it, make sure this pin aligns inside of there and this one inside that. So you have to push a little bit. That's how they look. Finally, close the 3 clips and hook up the mass air sensor.